There are many unanswered questions below the ocean's surface. What if we knew exactly where a marine animal traveled? What if we knew how many of a species died and where this happened? The answer to these and many other questions is closer than ever before. This is an acoustic receiver, the size of a large soda bottle. When placed in a row with other receivers, they form listening lines, up to 50 kilometers long. Each tagged animal carries a transmitter with its own unique barcode. The receivers can also record other important data, such as water temperature and salinity. As animals cross listening lines, scientists can tell where the animals are, how fast they're traveling, and where some of them die in the course of their migratory journey. POST has the ability to track a wide range of marine species, from fish to invertebrates to marine mammals. To visualize the scope of POST, think on a grand scale. Picture a permanent structure made up of 2,000 sensors, forming 30 listening lines, tracking over 250,000 animals simultaneously, from Baja to the Bering Sea. We have so many questions about life in the world's oceans. POST and similar projects around the world will allow us to replace guesswork with accurate measurement.